What's up, YouTube? It's Kenny again. Sitting at a truck stop in Indiana, getting ready to take off. It's about 9 a.m. Eastern. First of all, let me just say I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a truck driver driving across the country, researching and trading stocks, and I will not be held responsible for any moves you make in the stock market. Not ever. I'm not your mama, all right? Hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know your plan with what's going on in the market. So what is going on in the market? Woo! All right, we had a rough day yesterday. I knew it when I posted the video yesterday morning. I knew we were probably going to have a rough day, and it was rough, guys. My riskier plays weren't doing that bad. I mean, they were down, but they weren't just like tanking, okay? And so I had kind of reserved myself, I'm just going to ride this till the wheels fall off, okay? And I went to sleep early, like 4:30 in the afternoon yesterday. I slept in this morning, and when I woke up, whoa, guys, ouch, ouch. The market is correcting big time, all right? Tesla, oh my God, Tesla was down 8.5% yesterday, down another 6% in the pre-market, sitting at $670 right at this moment, guys. So I've got a big paper loss on Tesla right now, okay? It's a paper loss because I haven't sold. And the same thing with Enphase. It was down yesterday. It's down even more in the pre-market. It's big paper losses on both of those guys. I would not be surprised with the way the market is at this moment if my 50+% return or whatever I was sitting at has dropped to around a 20% return, if not less right now. So I'm still up overall for sure, but man, whatever's going on right now is hurting, okay? So what's my plan? All right, so as far as Tesla and Enphase is concerned, I'm riding those until the wheels fall off. If I have to hold them for another year to get back up, I'm not selling them for these kind of losses. It's not happening, okay? And yes, that ties up a large portion of my money, but you know, everybody says don't panic sell, okay? And I'm not panic selling. I'm not going to do it, all right? I have these rules that I normally follow, but I follow these rules when the market is doing what I feel like it's supposed to be doing. You know what I mean? And when I go to sleep and wake up and all of a sudden my rules are broken, I'm holding. Guys, it's a correction. It's not going to be permanent. And, you know, all statistics and everybody always says, you know, panic selling in a situation like this is pretty much the worst thing you can do. So as far as the other investments, ZOMSENS and FUSE, yesterday they were doing okay. I mean, they were just, you know, slightly down, but overall they were actually faring better than Tesla and Enphase, which I didn't really expect. And but this morning they have significantly gone down, and I'm significantly in the red on all three, okay? These I'm taking a different tack with. I'm not just going to panic sell and sell at the bottom or anything, but I'm going to be looking for spots that I might could get out of them, even at a little bit of a loss, to free up some cash to maybe average down in Tesla and Enphase. And, you know, this is going to impact what I can do, how much cash I'm going to have in the market over the next, you know, who knows what length of time. It's going to be at least a couple of weeks before I can put any more cash into the account. So for now, I'm not going to panic sell. I'm not going to allow myself to do it, all right? And I'm going to hold strong on the positions that I'm confident in and look for potential spots to free up cash by getting out of the more risky positions that I'm in, to then average down in Tesla and Enphase, and potentially even maybe buy something else. I wish I had a bunch of cash on the sidelines because I feel like there's some really good opportunities to buy right now. However, there's the possibility it could go down some more So I wouldn't rush into buying anything right now. But, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I don't have a crystal ball. But it's my thought that this is just a correction. It's good for the market. We've been in this intense bull run for a year, and the market needs to pull back and trade sideways and stuff for a minute. It's just, it's what the market needs. It's healthy for it. I mean, it can't just continue to just up nonstop. I mean, the Dow actually gained a little bit, but the S&P 500 just tanked the last couple of days, and the NASDAQ has tanked as well, although not as bad. So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna try to stay patient, try to stay calm, not panic sell, look for these opportunities to potentially get out of some of these other ones so I can deploy that cash elsewhere. But I mean, that's all I can say. We have these bad times. It happens, and although I haven't been through a correction of this magnitude, I haven't lost this much on a bunch of stocks at all since I've started. So it's a learning experience for me, you know what I mean? And I'm trying to look at it that way, and I'm going to try to learn from the experience. If it means that I give back a whole bunch of my gains, then that's what it means. I'm not going to cry over it. I'm just going to try to learn from the experience, become a better investor, and that's all I can do. So with that said, I had a couple of people ask if I would post a song. So, I write and record music. I had a couple people ask, and I've been thinking about doing it for a while. And so I've got some different options. I've got a lot of different songs, finished up that I could post, and a few come to mind. So if you want to participate, if you're interested in hearing a song, what kind of song would you want to hear? Okay, the three that come to mind immediately. Okay, one of them is like a ballad type of song that's almost kind of country sounding. I don't really do country music, but it's a ballad. Okay, and then another one is more of like a 90s alternative type of feel. Okay, and then another one is like I don't know, it's kind of a rock ballad from the 60s, maybe a Joe Cocker feel to it. So would you rather hear more of a ballad, or more of a 90s alternative rock, or more of like a 60s Joe Cocker rock ballad type song? Let me know down in the comments. I'll take it as a little vote, and I'll post up a song sometime this week. If I don't get very many votes, maybe I'll just pick the one that I like the best. But I thought it might be a fun thing to do. We're at a point kind of right now where I don't know what kind of action there's going to be for me to talk about or post about. I don't want to really be pushing any new stocks or anything during all this, because none of us are sure what's going to happen right now. So let me know what kind of song you think you'd like to hear in the comments. A ballad, like a love song, slow love song, 90s alternative grunge type song, or a 60s rock ballad type song. I kind of got another minute to fill here, guys. So just stay strong in your trading. If you got cash on the sidelines, right now is a good time to look for some opportunities. You might be wanting to move towards a little bit safer stocks right now. You might just want to keep some cash on the sidelines, see if it keeps dropping, and look for opportunities. You might even want to average down into some of these positions that you're in. I'm not a financial advisor, so make your own decisions. Look at as much information as you can, and make your own decisions. I can't make those decisions for you. And good luck. Things are crazy right now, so I wish you all luck, and I hope you all make a whole bunch of money in the market. So I'm going to get ready to take off here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and be sure to vote down in the comments on what kind of song you want me to post. Or tell me you don't want to hear my music, I suck, whatever you want to tell me. Thanks for watching, guys.